Before this video starts, I just want to say that all Black lives matter, all Black trans lives matter. So it's not just a temporary thing, it's not just a trend, it's never a trend. It's human rights, human decency, forever, till the end of time, till we fix this problem. I'm gonna leave a couple of links of their Black Lives Matter cards in the description, so in case you guys aren't aware already, to see what you guys can do for the Black Lives Matter in terms of petitions, donating, change.org, whatever you can do to help. I urge you to please help. If you're an ally, it's time to be an ally. You should always be an ally. It's not about being not racist, it's about being anti-racist. So please, Black lives will always matter no matter what, for everyone else's life, because they go through the most pain. So yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. So tomorrow will be my birthday. This will be posted on the 16th, which is tomorrow. Yeah, June 16th, 1998, my birthday. I'm Gemini. Gemini is the most hated sign on the internet, but yeah, it is my birthday. I'm turning 22, like I said. So I thought, if I'm not going anywhere, why not just put on some makeup, take some pictures to post for my birthday to celebrate my 22 years of life on this earth. 22 years young. I'm still young, still learning, I'm still bettering myself. I feel like I'm already a different person already. It's all about being a better person, improving yourself, but also all about loving yourself, okay? Today we're gonna be doing this look. It's just mainly inspired by the colors of this shirt I have. This is from ASOS, by the way. I got this months back. This was supposed to be one of my tour shirts, like outfits for the Soul Tour, but obviously, you know, that's postponed until whenever. Who says I can't wear it twice, right? But yeah, I used colors that were inspired by just this shirt alone. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. I make videos like this, makeup tutorials, vlogs, BTS reactions, whatsoever. Don't forget to leave a comment down below as well, and also like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well if you guys want more content like this. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So today I'm starting with the eyes. Excuse this cluster of breakouts right here. Because of COVID, you gotta wear face masks, and face masks break me out. When they're new, when face masks are new, they break me out. Not all the time, obviously, but when they're new, it tends to break, even disposable ones. That's why I have the cluster right there. Today we're gonna be doing like this, you know, my birthday look. I'm not going anywhere. My birthday's tomorrow, but why not take pictures for, you know, my birthday, right? I'm turning 22 years old. I'm gonna start priming my eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and then I'm going to be taking this pink shade right over here. I'm going to be going into the Norvina Volume 1 palette, and then I'm going to be taking this shade right here to further deepen up the crease. Now for our darker purples, to make more of the cut crease colors, I'm going to be mixing this shade right here, this shade right here, and this shade right here. This shade being the main one that's going to darken it. I'm going to be cutting my crease now with the concealer. I'm just using my old NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. Also be going back in with the blending shades, the other purples and pinks as well. into my Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm going to be taking this green and I'm going to putting it all over my lid, kind of making it pointing outwards wherever the concealer is as the lid cut crease portion. I'm ready to be going into my Melt Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm going to be taking the shades Sweet Tooth and Blue Dream and mixing them together, and I'm going to be spraying my brush with Fix Plus as well. I'm going to be going into my Magellan Spark glitter from Bulk Glitters, Glitter My World, and this is going to be my topper for my green, and I'm going to be using my NYX glitter primer for this. For foundation, I already moisturized and prepped my skin already. I'm just going to use my Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation mixed with my usual Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. For my under eye powder, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Veil Powder. For the rest of my face, I'm going to be trying out the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade number 2. I've always wanted to try this one. I got it during the VA Rouge sale, so I was like, why not try it? So it's like supposed to make your skin look super smooth and like filtered. So I'm going to use this Unit 110 brush. I'm also going to take some of this mini diffused light ambient lighting powder from Hourglass. I'm going to put it just a little bit on my under eyes. For contour, I'm going to be using the Art Class by Rodin Too Cool for School contour powder. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm going to be using my ColourPop blush sticks in this shade Mic Drop, which looks like this. For my waterline, I'm going to be going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade LSD. I'm going to go on my outer corner with the shade D4 to kind of do the deeper outer corner for the bottom lower lid. I'm going to go into this light blue for the rest of the lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to be going back into the Precious Petals, and also for my brow bone, I'm going to go in with Precious Petals as well. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my makeup with the Evian spray. I'm gonna use my All Nighter setting spray. And then to make my skin dewy, of course, I'm gonna use the Dewy Finish setting spray from CREASE. For brow gel, I'm going to use the Pony Effect Contoured Brow Color in the shade, I forgot what shade this is, in Deep Brown. Off camera, I'm going to be applying my Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline, and then the Lily Lashes in Miami. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Rouge Velvet Allure from Chanel. And this is in the shade Emotive, which is like this nude color. And then I'm going to be lining my lips with MAC Spice. This lip color. Also going to be mixing in with Patrick Ta's Liquid Silky Lip Cream in the shade She's Unapologetic. I wasn't going to add gloss, but I'm going to add the Fenty Glass Slipper Gloss, which is the clear gloss, on my lips as well. And this is the finished look.
The illest bitch alive, illest bitch alive. Yeah, one time for the illest bitch alive, realest bitch alive.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this birthday glam look for my 22nd birthday. And again, don't forget to check out the cards down below for Black Lives Matter to see what you can do to help. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
원래 아름다워 찬 벌레들이 꼬여 난 달라 네 모습이 들리고 그 향기까지 보여 You make me crazy Maybe, yeah you could be my baby How waiting 예쁜이 lady Happy 기다리던 lady my lady